Most AI models still operate on frozen knowledge. They sound confident, yet they speak from a snapshot of the past. For engineers and cloud professionals, that gap between what current and what outdated creates quite damage. Wrong configurations, missed updates, and decisions made on stale data. That era is ending. ChatGPT now works with a live window into the web, a tool called Atlas, designed to keep intelligence aligned with reality. Atlas serves as a direct link between ChatGPT and real-time information. It can access public web pages, extract facts, and check context against the latest sources. Knowledge becomes continuous instead of static. For professionals in AI, DevOps, or automation, that means decisions can finally reflect the world as it changes, not the world as it was when a model was last trained. Now, picture the daily routine of a technical team. Cloud pricing adjusts, service limits evolve, compliance frameworks revise their criteria. With Atlas, those updates are no longer discovered weeks later. They can be verified before action. Security specialists can review new vulnerability disclosures directly from vendor advisories. Developers can confirm documentation changes before pushing code. Automation engineers can pull current endpoints or feature updates from verified sources instead of static guides. This creates an adaptive workflow, one last learn, adjusts, and responds. For cybersecurity and operation, that kind of awareness is no longer optional. So Atlas now fits into the daily rhythm of advanced teams. Analysts rely on it to confirm technical data before deployment. Security leads use it to monitor live advisories and detect early changes in risk exposure. Cloud architects reference it to evaluate new cost models and infrastructure releases across providers. Atlas acts as a verification layer. It cross-checks human insight against the web in real time, reinforcing trust instead of replacing judgment. That approach marks the transition from passive use of AI to active, informed collaboration with it. Every new capability demands discipline. Treat Atlas as a professional tool, not a private assistant. Keep sensitive credentials and internal data out of your prompt. Confirm any critical output manually before integrating it into production systems. The strength of this tool depends on the quality of your questions and the care you take with its answers. AI can learn from data. Atlas takes a step further, learning from the present. It marks a shift from models that memorize information to systems that stay synchronized with reality.